my name is JT Kent. I'm one of the developers here at Cubicle Fugitive. In this video we're going to be talking about resources, specifically the cases or rep work module within the Sitefinity CMS. So let's launch the project and get started. To access the cases module, we go to Content, click on Cases. This will bring up a listing of all cases that are within the CMS. To create a new case, click on the Create a Case button. To edit an existing case, we click the title of the case. So we'll create a new case. This will bring up the input dialog box and we'll fill in the information. This is subtitle field. Necessary. We'll get some lorem ipsum text for the main content. This could be the case overview, sort of already case write-up. Oops, copied the wrong thing. Summary. This is kind of another brief synopsis to sort of entice the reader to click through to the full case detail. I won't fill this one in, but if we did, it would overwrite the sort of pre-calculated summary. Featured item, whether or not this is a important case, maybe you want it featured on the home page or another featured cases page. We have a bunch of case details. Again, these are optional fields to fill out. Let's, for example, say that this is a big win and it was a $1 million verdict. This is typically used to sort and search cases by value, so we will need a word representation of this also. So we'll say that we want it to be $1 million settlement. If there is a specific reference to a case that you wish to post, we'll do it in similar fashion, pasting that information there, and then we can add an external URL and paste. Again, this is optional information. It is not required for the case. We also have some external links. We could very easily take this hyperlink and put it in the external URL and say link directly to that. We can relate content as with other content items, so we can say select team member, Albert Einstein. Relating content is discussed in other videos, so we're just going to do it really quickly. We can add an image, we can add related documents. So let's say we also had the PDF version of this verdict. We could link the file there. Full control over the meta tags, and we could categorize this as well. So when I hit the Save as Draft button, this will allow us to preview what this case will look like. So here at the top, we have the date, which is the publication date. The other information we filled out, again, this is the numerical representation, the text representation of the dollar amount, title, subtitle, related team, the overview, the related document, again, related team in a different format, other recent cases, related services or expertise, industries. Now clicking on any of these items, so for instance clicking on the related team member will bring up their bio and it will have a reciprocal link back to the cases. Actually, we haven't published this yet because it's only the preview, so I should actually go back. That's why it's not appearing here. So now we will publish the case, and if we refresh the cases page, it'll now appear here. So now clicking on the detail of this will bring us the full listing, and now if I click Albert Einstein, we should now have the reciprocal link, and here it is. So that's how we add a case using the Sitefinity CMS.